You need to just answer. We will not solve all these questions. I will just go through some of them. So in the first part, Abrish, what to do in this one? X plus 8 is equal to 15.
Ma'am, take the there is no bracket, so we can take integers on one side and variables on one side.
The variable is already on the correct side. So it means that we will shift this plus 8. So if you
Plus
take this
8.
plus 8 on the other side of the equation, it will be 15 minus 8, right?
Yes.
And x would be
15 minus 8, 7 or 10.
3x. It is 7. Okay. So these questions are also like this. You can see B part is also having three terms. Plus 9 will go on the other side. C maybe they can minus 5 will go on the other side. It will be plus 5. Minus 7 D part may will go on the other side. It will be plus 7. Right? So now comes the E part. So E part mein there are two terms. So what to do?
Ma'am,
Or
we
out of
have
those 5 steps, at which step this is this question?
ma'am, there's one on variable side and there is second on the integer side. So how would we solve this one?
Sorry. So how to solve? The variable term is on the left side and the number term is on the right side. So this is fine. So what to do? We should not be having this 4 now. We need to find out the value of x. So how to cancel this 4?
Um,
This is the last step when we divide both sides with the
yes, ma'am.
coefficient of variable, right?
4.
This is that step. So if we will divide both sides of the equation with 4, so this
Ma'am,
4 will be cancelled and x would be
x would
minus
be
28. Hmm.
minus 28 by 4 and we can simplest it.
Hmm. So what is 28 by 4?
28 by 4 is 7.
Very good. So this size is minus 7, right? So same is the case here in F part, you can see. So what to do in F part, because this minus 24 is extra. We need value of x. So we will divide both sides with
So divided by 24.
minus 24 actually, right? The coefficient of x is not 24, it is minus 24. So we will divide both sides with minus 24. This side will be cancelled. And
Ma'am,
if you divide g,
1.
this will be x is equal to, so now minus divided by minus is a plus. So
Yes.
144 divided by 24. So it is 6, right? If you cancel it with 2, 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 12s are 144. And 2 से फिर cancel करें तो 2 6 are 12. So answer is 6, right?
Ma'am,
ठीक है?
answer 6. It is plus
अच्छा
6.
now look at G, H, I and J part. So there are again 3 terms, no brackets, 3 terms. So the variable will remain on the left side and the constant term will go on the other side of the equation, right? The similar questions. Like let's solve this one, J part. What to do in J part?
J part, we have to take this integer to the other side because it is on the
Very
wrong
good.
side.
It will be minus 7y minus 12. Now this plus 3, when it will go on the other side, what will this be?
Minus 3.
This will be
Minus 3.
minus 3, right? So now what is minus 12 minus 3?
Minus 9.
Minus? No,
Plus
they are like terms, na? They are friends. So number will be added. This is minus 12 minus 3, so it is minus 15, right? Is it clear? They are the
yes.
like integers, minus 12 minus 3. So we will add them. Okay? Or the answer would be minus 15. So now you can divide both sides with 7, right? So this will minus 7, sorry. So this will be gone and y would be 15 by 7. Because minus divided by minus or minus got cancelled. ठीक है?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now moving on to question number 2. In question number 2, there are 4 terms in every question. You can see all the 4 parts are having 4 terms. So this in this question, but there is no bracket. So you will move all the variable terms toward left side and the constants toward right side. So how to solve it? 2y minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 23.
Uh, First, we can move this minus 7 to the other side and 7y to
That's
this
right.
side.
So plus 7y, when it will come on this side, it will be minus 7y
Y.
is equal to, now
Plus
minus 23, or yeah, minus 7 when it will come here, it will be
plus.
minus 7.
Ma'am, this is minus, so it will be plus 7.
Very good. So this will be plus 7. So now 2 minus 7 plus 2 minus 7. They are unlike integers. They are not friends. So we need to subtract them. So plus 2 minus 7.
Minus 5y.
Very good. Minus 5y. और यहाँ पर देखें, they are also not friends. Minus 23 plus 7. So what will be the answer? Minus minus 23 plus 7. So how many? Minus 16, right? Because they are unlike,
Yes.
na? So we will subtract them. So now we will divide both sides with the coefficient, which is minus 5. Okay, so that this y is alone. So y is equal to 16 by 5 is your answer. ठीक है बेटे, ये इस तरह क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. So do you want to solve more questions of question number 2 or should we go to question number 3?
Ma'am, question number 3.
All right. So question number 3 is when the brackets are there. So we will do this question on the whiteboard so that it is more clear. We will solve some of the questions together and the remaining questions you can practice on your own. ठीक है बेटे? So question 3K. Let's solve few questions. Let's start with uh, first question, maybe second question. 5 into x minus 7. The question is 5 into x minus 7. But can you see the screen, Abrish?
Yes.
Is equal to minus 15. So now keeping in mind the 5 steps we have learned yesterday. So how to start?
So first we can solve the brackets first.
That's
So
right. We will expand. So what will it be?
5x minus 35.
Is equal to minus 15. So after expanding the bracket, now how many terms are there?
3 terms.
3 terms.
So with
So this
minus
5x is already on the right side, like on the left side. But this is fine. So, but this minus 35 should not be on this side. So if you take minus 35 on the other side of the equation, it will be
minus 15 plus 35.
very good, plus 35. Now 5x is equal to, what is the answer of this calculation? Minus 15 plus 35.
Is correct.
They are unlike terms. The signs are different. So we will subtract them.
20
20
plus
plus 20, right? So now what to do?
Take the coefficient as a denominator.
That's right. Divide both sides with the coefficient. So now what
So
is x?
5 we cancel
Mhm.
and 3 by 5 if we cut them, so answer is 4.
Answer is 4. Very good. This is your answer, right? So now moving on to the, let's say C part. 7 into minus 2x plus 4. 7 into minus 2x plus 4 is equal to minus 4x. So now what to do?
All the
What should be
bracket.
the first step? Expand the bracket, open the bracket. So what will this be?
Minus 14 x plus 28.
28 is equal to minus 4x. Now this x is fine on this side of the equation, but this 28 is not fine, and this 4x is also not. We need to have x on the left side and
Bring
integer on the,
and move
sorry,
this. Ma'am, can I speak?
जी बेटे.
Ma'am, we can move minus 28 to other side and bring minus 4x to this side. Where
Left side, right? So what will
yes,
this be? It would be
plus 4x is equal minus 28.
very good. So now minus 14 plus 4,
10x minus 10x.
in minus sign will come because the bigger number is minus. So
Ma'am,
minus
we
4x.
will add
So now divide both
coefficient
sides with.
10. Coefficient.
Is 10 the coefficient of x?
Yes.
No, it's not 10.
Ma'am, 28.
It is minus 10, right? You need to remember this minus will also, we will consider this minus also. So coefficient of x is whatever is before x. So now divide both sides with minus 10. This will be gone. So x is equal
10.
to, no, minus divided by minus is a plus sign. 28 divided by 10 is 2.8.
2.8.
ठीक है बेटे? So any confusion?
No, ma'am.
All right. So moving on to the next question. So let's say third question we have done. So you can solve which question you want to do together from this. Amrish, which
Ma'am,
part you want to do together? Gigi.
I and J.
I and J. Okay. So let's solve I and J together. 9 into 2d plus 7. 9 into 2d plus 7 is equal to 11 into d plus 14. 11 into d plus 14. So this is the question. So what would be the first step?
Open the bracket, expand them.
Expand them, right? So what will this be? 9 will be multiplied with these both.
18D
18d plus
plus 3.
63. Very good. So now on this side of the equation, 11 is multiplied with these both.
7D plus
154, right? 14 into 11.
Yes.
So now what?
We can move plus 63 to other side and bring 11D on the left
That's
side.
right. So this 18d, this plus 11d will come on this side. So it will be minus 11d. And this will be 154. The 63 will go on the other side and it will be minus 63, right? So now what is 11d minus 18d minus 11d?
So now
Now combine the like terms. 18d minus 11d is 7d and 154 minus 63.
so we minus them.
91. ठीक है? अब क्या करना है Abrish? What to do?
Add 7 in the denominator, the coefficient.
That's right. Divide both sides with 7. So this 7 will be gone. D is equal to, if you divide 91 with 7, so 7 ones are 7, 21 other, so 7 threes are 21. So what is the value of D? It is
13.
13, right? So let's solve the last question then. Last question is 28f minus 1. So 28 into f minus 1 is equal to 5 into 7f minus 3. 5 into 7f minus 3, right? So what is the first step?
Ma'am, expand the brackets.
That's right. Expand the bracket. So what will this be if you open this bracket? 28f minus
Minus 28.
minus 28. Very good. And if this side of the equation we open, 5 is
Uh,
multiplied.
F minus 15.
35f minus 5 threes are
15.
15. So now there are 4 terms. So we will take this
Ma-
variable terms to with this side.
and
28f के साथ क्या होगा?
this minus 35F is equal
Minus 35f. And on this side it is minus 15. Now this minus 28 would become
plus 20.
plus 28. Now what is 28 minus 3f minus 35?
Plus 20.
जी बेटे. What is minus 15 plus 28? They are not friends.
13 plus
13 plus 13. Right. So now divide both sides with what?
minus 7.
Minus 7. Very good. So divide both sides with minus 7. So f is equal to minus 13 by 7. Right? So beta, is it clear?
Yes.
Right.
So now
Sorry?
we can simplify.
See, now we can move to the next question. We need to do 8 questions. Now the equations are getting tricky. So because the learning objective was there can be integers, fractions, decimals. So just look at this question. Question number 4. 7 by minus 2 wholes 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So what to do about it? Let me write it down, right?
We haven't done in them in school, so can
But
you
you will do
explain
it soon, right? So the question is 7 by, it's not that difficult, 7 by minus 2 wholes 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. What should be the first step? How many terms are there, first of all?
3.
3 terms. Let's change this into the improper fraction. 2 whole 3 by 4 in the improper fraction, what will that be?
11. 11 by
बिल्कुल
4.
सही. 11 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. अच्छा, now this is the variable term. This 11 by 4 is constant. This is also constant. So we'll keep 7y here. This minus 11 by 4, when it will go here, so it will become
Plus.
plus 11 by 4, right? So now how to add fractions? How can we add these two fractions? कैसे fractions add करते हैं, Abrish?
1 with 11 and
Sorry, जी बेटा? We make the denominator. We
ma'am
make the
make
denominator same. So this is 1 by 2, this is 11 by 4. So it means that we will multiply this with 2 so that the denominators are same. So this will become 2 by 4 plus 11 by 4, right? So 7y is equal to 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 by 4, right? So now
13.
what to do?
Add 7. Now
हाँ,
cross.
बिल्कुल सही. Cross multiply, right? Cross multiply हम यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं कर सकते, अब्रिश? Why we cannot do cross multiply here in the first step?
Because this is an equation.
Nee, why we are not cross multiplying here?
Ma'am, because there are two values before it,
Two
like
values.
7.
All right. So basically, we are not doing this here. Oh, is the screen visible?
Ma'am, it is
Is it?
like blanked.
All right, let me share it again. I think so there was a problem. Acha, so mm, just one second. Let me share the screen again.
Ma'am,
So now the screen is visible.
vis-
Is it visible now? All right. So I was asking this question, Avrish, okay, why we can cross multiply here at this step, but we cannot do cross multiplication here in the first step.
I can't understand. Can you tell?
जी बेटे, it is because the cross multiplication made this is the, you can say, criteria that there should be one term on both sides of the equation. You cannot cross multiply this because we don't know one will be multiplied with what. But here there is one term on the left side and one term on the right side. So this multiplication is making sense. 7y will be multiplied with 4 and 1 will be multiplied with 13, right? Like in the cross. So now 77 into 4 is 28. Y is equal to 30, right? So now what to do? Divide both sides with 28, right? ठीक है बेटे? So what is the value of y?
13 by 28.
That is the value of y.
Ma'am,
Any
because it
question?
next.
Sorry?
Ma'am, we can't divide it with any number more.
जी बेटा, we cannot divide it. We cannot simplify. Oh, there was a mistake. नहीं, 2 by 4. सही है. That's fine. All right. So now moving on to, are these questions of linear equations difficult?
No, ma'am.
All right, that's great. Just give me a minute. I need to open the book again. All right. So this is the question we are doing, question number 4. So now tell me, bete, Abrish, can you solve more questions or we will solve some of them together?
Ma'am, one more, that C part.
C part. C part is, very easy actually. Just there is a trick they are doing. 1 by 3x is 7. So 1 by 3x is 7. So how many total terms are there?
2.
2 terms. So actually now in maths, this is just to confuse you. 1 by 3x is same as अगर आप लिखें x by 3. Are you getting this? This is the same thing. So if I write it down as x by 3 and this is 7 by 1, so now we can just cross multiply. Right? So x is 21. Okay, you got confused or you thought maybe it's a difficult question because they have not written this in the 1 by 3x. आपको confuse कर रहा है. ठीक है बेटे?
Okay, ma'am.
So 1 by 3x can be written as x by 3. So sometimes they play this kind of trick, So moving on to any other question. So this is also same. You can write it, this one. Can you see the D part? The D part, it's written 3 by 4x. So 3 by 4x is not making sense. So you can write it down as 3x by 4 is equal to
4.
minus 6 by 1. Now what to do, Abrish? Now you can just
Cross multiply.
cross multiply, right? ठीक है बेटे? So same is the case here. It is written x 1 by 3x. आपने इसको लिख लेना है x by 3 plus 3 is equal to 4. Just like here it is written. यहाँ पर देखो f part में लिखा है ना y by 4. इसको लिखने का एक और तरीका क्या होता है कि we write it down as 1 by 4y. ठीक है? Right? अब ये देखो यहाँ पर भी it is 1 by 4y, तो आप इसको लिख लो y by 4. ठीक है बेटे? यहाँ पर भी minus 2y by 5. Is it making sense? ठीक है? फिर आपने
Yes.
क्या करना है? Combine the like terms and then because there are fractions in this question, so you will cross multiply. ठीक है बेटे? Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you want to do any question of like question 4 ka any part together? Should we solve the last part together?
Yes.
All right. So let's solve the last part. 15 minus 2 by 5y. 15 minus 2 by 5y is equal to 11. ठीक है? So first of all, we will not confuse this कि ये क्या term है. We will write it down as minus 2y by 5 is equal to 11.
Yes.
Now this is a variable term and this is the number or the constant term. ये भी constant term है. So minus 2y by 5 will remain here and this 1 and this plus 15 will come here and it will be minus 15. ठीक है? So now minus 2y by 5 is equal to,
Ma'am, that
what
is
is 1 minus 15?
Ma'am,
Oh,
you
sorry,
have written
11 tha, sorry. It was 11. So what is
less
11 minus 15? Plus 11 minus 14. They're not friends.
minus.
So minus 4, right? So this is minus 4 by 1. So now we have one term on the right side, one term on the left side. So we will just do the cross multiply. So minus 2y
Multiplication.
is multiplied with 1 and 5 is multiplied with 4. So this is minus 2y minus 4 sorry, is equal to minus 20.
Minus 20.
ठीक है? So now we will divide. What is the coefficient of y?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. So you will divide both sides with minus 2. This is minus 2 or this is minus 20 by minus 2. So here this will be cancelled. So y is equal to minus 20 divided by minus 2. So minus divided by minus is a plus. 20 divided by 2
Plus
is
10.
10. So this is the answer of y. Right?
Well,
ठीक है बेटे?
minus.
So you need to do the remaining questions also on your own. ठीक है? ये सारे fractions के जो question है. ठीक है? So Abrish, do you want to solve the next question, question 5 today, or do you want to do it tomorrow?
Today.
Today, all right. So I thought maybe you think it's too much. So it's fine, we can do it today. We have time. So also, and this week we will be having 5 classes because last week I have missed 1 class. अच्छा बेटे, this is the question. इस question में ना करने से पहले Abrish, I want to ask you, do you know how to do operations on decimals? Do you know how to solve decimals?
Yes.
So how to add two decimals, how to add or subtract. Decimals कैसे add करते हैं? Like for example, if this is 0.5 plus 1.93, इन दोनों को कैसे add करेंगे अब्रेश?
Like if we write them in the vertical, so we will add 0 with the 5.
So first of all, we will put decimal under the decimal under the decimal, right? So हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 0.5 और ये यहाँ पर आएगा 1.93, right? So now the second step is adding of
0.
Adding of zeros, right? So the zeros which are missing, we will put them like here. It should be a 0 here. to make the balance. ठीक है? So third is do the operation. ठीक है बेटे? So now we need to add. So I will simply add just like the normal addition. This is 3, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 1 carry. So decimal will stay on its place and this is 2.4. ठीक है? So same is the case with subtraction. ठीक है बेटे? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now how to multiply two decimals? Like for example, आपके पास 1.5 multiplied with 2. So how to multiply decimals?
Ma'am, like vertically 1.5 and write 205.
So we ignore the decimal, right?
Yes.
We ignore the decimal, we multiply the numbers. So 15 twos are 30. Now we will count the number of decimal places. So here there is no decimal place. So here it is one decimal place. ठीक है?
Yes.
So the decimal will come back at one decimal place. अगर यहाँ पर होता ना 0.2 for example, so still 15 is multiplied by 2. But here it is one decimal. Here also it is one decimal place. So now we
So,
will put the 0 at two decimal places. So ये क्या होगा? 0.30. ठीक है बेटे?
3.
Are you getting this?
Yes.
All right. So what about decimal division? Let's say 31.3 divided by 4. How to
Ignore
do this division?
the decimal point.
नहीं. Division में we will not ignore the decimal. We will divide it and when we will encounter the decimal ना, जब आपका decimal division में आता है तो तब आप decimal को आंसर में लिख देते हैं. If the decimal is in the way in the first step, तो सबसे पहले division में ऊपर decimal आ जाएगा. Like in this question, first step can be done. So 31 को 4 से divide करना है तो 7 4s are 28, right? So now this is 3 remainder. अब देखिए I need to bring this 3 down. ऐसे ही है ना? But there is a decimal before it. So जब भी decimal encounter होगा, we will put the decimal in the answer. So this is 33 now. Are you getting this point? So now
Yes.
4 into, let's say 8 is 32.
2.
This is 7.8. ये बात समझ आ रही बेटे? So decimal division में we will keep the decimal in the answer and we will divide it. But as soon as we will encounter the decimal, we will just shift that decimal into the answer. ठीक है बेटे? अब्रिश ये याद आया बात सारी?
Okay, ma'am.
So now we are going to solve question number 5 because we need to do these operations. ठीक है? First is y minus 2.4. So let me clear the screen. First question is y minus 2.4 is 3.6. Y minus 2.4 is equal to 3.6. ठीक है? So how many terms?
3.
3 terms. This y is fine, but this minus 2.4 should be on the other side. So we will take it on the other side. 3.6. This is minus on this side, so in this side it will be plus 2.4. अब देखिए हमने दो decimals add करने हैं. हमें पता है decimal add कैसे करते हैं? Put the decimal under the decimal, right? So there is no padding required. So you will just do the operation. 6 and 4 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. And this decimal will come down. Now 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the answer? Y is
6.
6, right? ठीक है अब्रिश? ये बात समझ आ रही? So now the
Yes.
second question is y plus 0.4 is equal to 1.6. So now how many
1.6.
terms?
3.
3 terms. So you will take this 0.4 on the other side. So it will be 1.6 minus 0.4, right?
And now
So now,
minus them.
now we will solve 1.6 लिखेंगे 0.4. So now we can
4.
solve 6 minus 4 is 2. Decimal यहीं पर रहेगा and 1.2. So y is 1.2. ठीक है बेटे?
Ma'am, decimal is very easy.
ठीक है? ठीक है अब्रिश?
Yes, ma'am.